Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Today we will practice English in 3 levels, starting simple and moving to more natural sentences. Each level is a little harder than the last. Level 1. Beginner English. The sky is blue, there are no clouds, the sun is hot, its light touches my face. I walk slowly, my steps are quiet, my shoes are new, they shine in the sunlight. The street is clean, the houses are small, the windows are open. I smell fresh bread. A dog runs past. The dog is happy, its tail moves fast. I smile at the dog looks at me, it barks once and runs away. A child is laughing. The child eats ice cream. The ice cream is cold, it melts in the sun. The child drops it. The ice cream falls to the ground. The child cries, tears fall down the face. The mother hugs the child. She speaks softly. The child feels better. The mother buys another ice cream. The child smiles again. I continue walking. I see a small shop. The door is open. It sells fruit. Apples are red. Bananas are yellow. Oranges are bright. Grapes are purple. I buy an apple. The apple is big and sweet. The juice is fresh. I eat it slowly. I throw away the core. I drink cold water. It feels good. I feel fresh. I sit on a bench. The bench is hard and old. The paint is broken. The wind is soft. The leaves move gently. I close my eyes. I hear birds singing. I hear cars moving. I hear people talking. I open my eyes. I see the bright street. I stand up. I take a deep breath. I walk again. I feel calm. I feel light. The day is good. Intermediate English. Now, let's move to level 2, Intermediate English. Repeat after me. As I walk down the street, I notice more details around me. Small houses are on both sides. Some have balconies with flowers, red flowers, yellow flowers, all smelling sweet. I stop at a bakery. Through the window, I see fresh bread on the shelves. People are waiting in line with small paper bags. I decide not to buy anything and continue walking. The street becomes busier. Shops sell clothes, toys, and gifts. One shop has a colorful display of hats. Another shop has shoes of every style. Children stand outside the toy shop. They point at dolls and cars in the window. Their parents smile, but do not go inside. I see a small bookstore. I walk inside. The air smells like books. Shelves are full of novels, magazines, and notebooks. One book catches my attention. It has a blue cover with golden letters. The story is about travel and adventure. I feel curious, so I buy it and put it in my bag. When I leave the shop, the sun is lower in the sky. People are coming back from work. Some carry bags of food. Others walk quickly or talk on the phone. The sounds of the city are louder now. At the park entrance, I see a man selling colorful balloons. I find a green bench under a tree. I sit down and open my book. The story pulls me in. I read a little, then look around. Children chase each other. Couples walk hand in hand. An old man sits quietly. I lean back and take a deep breath. The air smells of grass and water from the fountain. The fountain is small, but the sound is soft and calming. I watch the people. I hear the water falling. I hold the book in my hands. Time feels slower here. For a moment, the busy city disappears. There is only peace. The sky is orange and pink. Shadows move across the grass. Now we move to level 3, Advanced English. These sentences are longer, more natural, and full of real-life English. Repeat after me carefully. Clouds move slowly across the horizon. The tall trees look darker now. Their shadows stretch across the grass. The fountain shines like silver in the evening light. I put my book down and look around. Near the fountain, 3 young people are preparing to play music. At first, they seem a little nervous. Then they start playing softly. People stop walking and turn toward the music. Some clap quietly. Some take out their phones to record. Even children who were running stop suddenly. They watch with wide eyes. The whole park feels calmer and warmer. The music makes me happy. It feels as if everyone is connected. Strangers stand side by side. Some smile quietly. Some tap their feet to the rhythm. Some whisper to each other. Next to me, a small boy holds a red balloon. The balloon moves gently in the wind. He looks at me and asks, "Do you like music?" I smile and say, "Yes, I do. It's very nice." He nods happily and runs to his family. I watch the people around me. An old man with a walking stick smiles quietly. Two girls clap and sing along with the song. Everyone seems connected by the music. It feels good to be part of this small community. After some time, the musicians finish playing. The last notes echo in the air. People clap loudly, cheer, and shout, "Bravo!" The musicians smile, wave, and pack their instruments carefully. The guitar goes back into its case. The park slowly becomes quiet again. The fountain continues to splash gently. Parents call their children. Families begin walking toward the exit. Some children cry because they want to stay longer. I put my book in my bag. I stand up and walk to the main street. Shops are closing, and people lock the doors. Restaurants are opening with bright lights inside. I smell food, fresh bread, grilled meat, coffee, and fried rice. The street looks warm and colorful. People laugh at the cafes. Their voices rise and fall like music. I think about sitting for a while. I imagine having a hot drink, but I keep walking. I feel ready to go home. When I reach my house, the sky is dark. The air is cooler now. The city feels quieter. I take a deep breath and feel calm. Today was a good day. I read a little, then look around. Children chase each other. Couples walk hand in hand. An old man sits quietly. I lean back and take a deep breath. The air smells of grass and water from the fountain. The fountain is small, but the sound is soft and calming. I walk slowly along the path in the park. The sun is almost gone, but the sky glows with pink, orange, and purple. The fountain splashes gently, and the water sparkles in the fading light. A couple walks past me, holding hands. They smile at each other and talk quietly. I can hear their soft laughter. It feels peaceful here. A group of children plays near the fountain. They throw a small ball to each other. The ball bounces on the ground. One child runs too fast and almost falls, but a friend catches him. They all laugh together. I hear a woman calling, "Dinner time! Come here!" A little girl runs toward her, holding a small toy. Her mother hugs her and smiles. The warm scene makes me feel calm. Nearby, a man plays a flute. His music mixes with the soft sounds of water and wind. People pause to listen. Some close their eyes. Some tap their feet. I repeat a few of the notes silently in my mind, feeling the rhythm. A small boy comes close to the fountain. He looks at the water and asks his father, "Why is it so shiny?" The father laughs softly and says, "It reflects the sky, my son." I repeat the sentence in my mind. It reflects the sky. Try saying it with me. It reflects the sky. I walk toward a bench under a large tree. The bench is old but still sturdy. I sit down and take a deep breath. The cool evening air feels fresh on my face. I see a young woman reading a book nearby. She smiles at a dog passing by. The dog wags its tail and runs to a child. The child throws a stick, and the dog fetches it. I repeat the phrase, "The dog fetches the stick." Say it with me. The dog fetches the stick. The park feels alive but calm at the same time. I notice the colors around me, green leaves, golden lights from street lamps, red balloons. I describe them silently. Green leaves, golden lights, red balloons. Repeat after me. Green leaves, golden lights, red balloons. A man sits quietly on a bench feeding pigeons. They flap their wings and coo softly. The man smiles as the birds eat. I whisper to myself, "The birds eat quietly." Say it with me. The birds eat quietly. The sun sets completely now. Shadows grow longer. The park is still full of small moments. Laughter, soft music, gentle conversations. Everything seems connected. I repeat silently. Everything seems connected. Try saying it slowly. Everything seems connected. I smell food, fresh bread, grilled meat, coffee, and fried rice. The street looks warm and colorful. People laugh at the cafes. Their voices rise and fall like music. I think about sitting for a while. I imagine having a hot drink, but I keep walking. I feel ready to go home. When I reach my house, the sky is dark. The air is cooler now. The city feels quieter. I take a deep breath and feel calm. Today was a good day. I read a little, then look around. Children chase each other, couples walk hand in hand. An old man sits quietly. I lean back and take a deep breath. The air smells of grass and water from the fountain. The fountain is small, but the sound is soft and calming. I watch the people. I hear the water falling. I hold the book in my hands. Time feels slower here. For a moment, the busy city disappears. There is only peace. The sky is orange and pink. Shadows move across the grass. Congratulations, you finished today's shadowing practice. First, you practiced simple sentences. Then, you spoke longer, connected sentences. Finally, you enjoyed a full story in natural English. Shadowing trains your ears, mouth, rhythm, speed, and confidence. Keep practicing every day. Listen, repeat, and believe in yourself. Your English will improve faster than you think. Come back tomorrow for another practice. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye for now.